Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefan, and in this video I want to show you how to play Czerny's Opus 599 number 6. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information below. A few words about the book. Czerny's 599 is a technique book, one of the most popular in the world, which goes from very beginner to intermediate. 100 pieces, one is the easiest, 100 is the hardest. In this video, we're going to learn number 6, and number 6 is very similar to number 5. We have quarter notes, but here we combine all three note values learned, so the quarter note, half note, and whole note, crotchet, minim, and semi-breve. And we change position. We are now in a G position instead of the C position. So we're outlining a G major 5-note scale in the left hand, and we have some G major broken chords as well. Both hands are still notated in the treble clef, and we are in 4/4, so 4 beats in every bar. I'm just going to repeat again the same thing as for the first 5. There's no indication to play legato, but if you do play legato, it's better for your technique, so make sure you play very smoothly both melodies, the right hand and the left, and by that I mean connecting the notes beautifully without any gap, so not detaching them and not sustaining them. We don't want that. We want to connect, and as soon as the next note goes down, you lift. So perfectly smoothly, but a clean articulation. And regarding the finger numbers, everything you see in this book is a suggestion only, and if you find something that works better for you, by all means you can go for it, as long as you can maintain the legato. So let's start with the right hand. First line again is repeated, then we move on to the second line and repeat that twice too. So starting on the G, it's a G major arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, A, coming down, B, G, and now D, G, B, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So finishing on this repeated G, again you can swap the finger numbers on it, and we have a second G major arpeggio, but it's an inversion because it starts on D. So everything is kind of outlining G major, even though the key signature is still C major. The left hand is going to introduce ledger lines underneath the staff. So in number 4, we learned about the ledger lines above the staff, and in number 6, we now learn about ledger lines underneath the staff. So the bottom line in the treble clef is middle E, the first ledger line is C, the second ledger line is A, and the third ledger line in the bottom is F. So easiest way to memorize is bottom line is E, 1 skip down, 1 ledger line, 2 ledger lines, 3. And now we can see the starting note is sitting underneath the second ledger line, and the second ledger line is A, so what's sitting underneath? G. Again, just memorize the notes which are actually on the lines, and you can always work out the spaces just by comparing it to the one on the line. So we start in this G position, 5 on the G, 1 on the D, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we had a scale going up, and the second time we had a broken chord. Skips. Hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second line. Left hand starts on the D, a descending scale this time, and right hand starts on the A, number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, skipping. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, skipping up. 1, 2, skips. Skips going up. C, G, G, G. So it's really working with our basic elements of melody, the skips, the scale, stepwise motion, mixing them, going up, coming down, skipping up, skipping down in both hands. So we really learn how to read steps and skips in both hands, how to distinguish between them. Remember, a skip is when you go from line to line or space to space. And a step is when you go from line to space or space to line, so adjacent notes. As always, speed is the last thing you should think about. What you want is an even tempo. Whatever speed you start with, try to maintain it all the way through without speeding up, slowing down, or getting stuck like this. Which I hear very often when you know two notes, you play fast and you stop because you don't know what's in the next bar. So aim for complete fluency, evenness. Get all your notes perfect, all the rhythms, a nice curved hand shape, good legato, and when all of that is achieved, you can start increasing the speed. The book doesn't say any speed, so whatever speed you can achieve is acceptable and it doesn't need to go too fast. It's the very beginning of the book.